It's Catherine Kangwa. That's the only, otherwise it's almost perfect. After working for about 23 or 24 years in corporate, I decided to go on my own last year. So I've been running my own consultancy practice for about 6 to 7 months now. And I work in the business advisory space, working with small to medium-sized, fairly large companies as well, providing enterprise development, business support, in risk management, governance, compliance audits, and small businesses, for example, looking for business plans and the like. So my idea really is to try and grow my customer base. Currently, I have 2 major clients, a major financial institution. For the financial institution, what I do is I provide them feedback in terms of, for example, customer surveys, service compliance checks in their branches, to give them feedback what customers feel and how they're complying to their standards. While for the other client, it's a development community trust who's looking to embed risk management advisory processes into their business and to strengthen their compliance management functions. So what do I need from the network? I need to grow my client base in the short to medium term, and in the long term, what I'm looking to do is to maybe possibly have a graduate institute where I can help people and businesses get this sort of training. They don't have to have a degree. They can come in and do a short program and try and understand exactly how to strengthen their businesses going forward. That's what I'm looking to do in the longer term. And that's my business. Any questions, please?